Welcome to Casmodecor, and this week's video will be about cocktail furniture. Casmodecor does not only center itself at making what is on the inside of the home extravagant, but we also prioritize what lies on the outside. Our patio sets made specifically to introduce the beauty bound to be inside of a home are a must-have. Each piece is both luxurious and has uniqueness and variety suited for any and every taste. For example, the 8-in-3 piece outdoor patio cocktail set or the Gazer's cocktail bar set. Despite being two very different designs, they both still manage to suit any outdoor environment and serve their purpose as a wonderful space for users to enjoy socializing and indulging in some crisp beverages. Shop Casmodecor for all your interior design solutions.